Third semester all UG courses examination April-May 2023 Artificial Intelligence. Part A, ಎಲ್ಲ 2 marks questions. First one, define artificial intelligence. According to John M.C. Cathay, it is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Who is the father of artificial intelligence? John M.C. Carthy. What is intelligent system? Intelligent system are the technologically advanced machines that perceive and respond to the world around them. Mention any two applications of artificial intelligence: education, manufacturing, healthcare, automobiles, business. Define virtual assistants. Virtual assistants VA is a software agent that can perform a range of tasks or services for a user based on user input such as commands or questions, including verbal ones. Mention two advantages of mobile payment system: fraud detection and prevention, risk assessment, biometric authentication, predictive analytics. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is an activity of electronically buying and selling of products on online services or over the internet. Define robotics. Robotics is that branch of engineering that deals with conception, design, operation and manufacturing of robotics. Next section B ಎಲ್ಲ 4 marks questions. Any 5 questions attend ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First one, explain about the elements of artificial intelligence system. Basic elements of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, first one, NLP, natural language processing, expert systems, robotics, intelligent agent, computational intelligence, under that machine learning, knowledge discovery, pattern recognition, data mining. First one, natural language processing. NLP is a branch of AI that allows machines to use and understand human language. It built into products such as automatic language translator used in multi-illegal conference such as text to speech translation, speech to text translation, and knowledge extraction from text. This technology is used to scan data in the form of raw language such as handwriting, voice, and images into contextually relevant structures and relationships that can be easily be integrated in the other structured data for more efficient analysis in subsequent process. Second point, expert system. Expert systems are machines or software applications that provides explanation and advice to users through a set of rules provided by an expert. The rules are programmed in software to reproduce the knowledge for non-experts to solve a range of actual problems. For example, these are found in the field of medicine, pharmacy, law, food, science and engineering. Robotics. Intelligent robotics are mechanical structures in various shapes that are programmed to perform specific tasks based on human instructions. In the petroleum industry, they have been used in innovation and beneficial ways. Intelligent agent. Multi-agent system (MAS) is a subfield of AI that builds computational system capable of making decisions and take actions automatically. These systems are capable of maintaining information about their environment and making decisions based on their perceptions about the state of environment, their past experience and their objectives. Next point, computational intelligence. Computational intelligence is a computational aspects of AI that focuses on utilizing and driving value of data. It uses the knowledge of discovery and data mining processes to develop ML workflow to learn from historical data and predict future events. There are several algorithms designed to build ML models. Example: artificial neural networks, decision trees, random forest, support tractors, machine, k nearest neighbors. Machine learning applications. Web search engines, Google software, PC, Firefox, etc. work so well is because the system has learned how to rank pages through a complex learning algorithm. Photo tagging application like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram application, the ability to tag friends makes it even more happening. It is all possible because of face recognition algorithms that runs behind the application. Spam detector. Our mail agent like Gmail or Hotmail does a lot of hard work for us in the classification the mails and moving the spam mails to spam folders. Subpoint knowledge discovery. Knowledge discovery is a database. It is the process discovering useful knowledge from a collection of data. This widely used data mining technique is a process that includes data preparation and selection data cleansing, incorporating prior knowledge on dataset and data interpreting accurate solutions from the observed result like fraud detection, telecommunication, etc. Second subpoint pattern recognition. Pattern recognition is the process of recognizing the pattern by using ML algorithms, for example, speech recognition, speech identification, multimedia document recognition, automatic mobile diagnosis. Last point, subpoint, data mining. The process of extracting information to identify patterns, trends, and useful data that would allow the business to take the data-driven decisions from huge set of data is called data mining. Next question, difference between programming with artificial intelligence and without artificial intelligence. Programming a computer without AI and with AI. Programming without AI. A computer programs without AI can assure specific questions as it means to solve. A computer program with AI can assure the generic questions it is meant to solve. Modification in program leads to change in its structure. AI programs can absorb new modification by putting highly independent pieces of information. Hence, you can modify even a minute piece of information of program without affecting its structure. Modification is not quick and easy. It may lead to affecting the programming adversely. Quick and easy programming modification. Next question, write a note on history on AI. Maturation of artificial intelligence 1943 to 1952. Year 1943. The first work which is now recognized as AI was done by Warren M.C. Kuloch and Walter Pitts in 1943. They proposed a model of artificial neurons. Year 1949, Donald Hebb demonstrated an updating rule for modifying the connection strengthened between neurons. His rules is now called Hebbian learning. Year 1950, the Alan Turing, who was an English mathematician and pioneered machine learning in 1950, Alan Turing publishes Computing, Mission and Intelligence, in which he proposed a test. A test can check the mission's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to human intelligence called a Turing test. Next point, the birth of artificial intelligence 1952 to 1956. Year 1955. And Alan Newell and Herbert Simon created the first artificial intelligence program which was named as Logic Theorist. This program had proved 38 of 52 mathematics theorems and find new more elegant proofs for some theorems. Year 1956. The word artificial intelligence, the first adapted by American computer scientist John M.C. Carthy at the Dartmouth conference for the first time. AI conveyed an academic field. At that time, high-level computers languages such as pattern LISP or COBOL were invented, and enthusiasm for AI was very high at that time. The golden years early enthusiasm 1956 to 1974, year 1966. The researchers emphasized developing algorithms which can solve mathematical problems. Joseph Weinborn created the first chatbot in 1966, which was named as Alexa. Year 1972, the first intelligent humanoid robot was built in Japan, which was named as Wabot 1. The first AI winter 1974 to 1980. The duration between the years 1974 to 1980 was the first AI winter durations. AI winter refers to the first period where computer scientists dealt with the severe shortage of funding from government for AI researchers. During AI winters, an interest of the publicity on artificial intelligence was decreased. A boom of AI 1980 to 1987, year 1980. After AI winter duration, AI come back with expert system. Expert system were program that emulates the decision making ability of human expert. In the year 1980, the first National Conference of American Association of Artificial Intelligence was held at Stanford University. The second AI winner 1987 to 1993. The duration between the years 1987 to 1993 was the second AI winner duration. Again, investors and the government stopped in funding for AI research as due to high cost but not efficient result. The expert system such as XCON was very cost effective. The emergency of intelligent agent 1993 to 2011, year 1997. In the year 1997, IBM Deep beats world chess champion Gary Kasparov and become the first computer to beat a world chess champion. Year 2002, for the first time AI entered the home in the form of Roomba, a vacuum cleaner. Year 2006, AI came in the business world till the year 2006. Companies like Facebook, Twitter and Netflix also started using AI. Deep learning, big data, artificial general intelligence 2011 to present. Year 2011. In the year 2011, IBM's Watson won Jeopardy, a quiz show where it had to solve the complex questions as well as the riddles. Watson had proved that it would understand natural language and can solve strictly questions quickly. Year 2012, Google has launched an Android app features Google Now, which was able to provide information to the users as a prediction. Year 2014, in the year 2014, chatbox agent Energy Goodsman won a competition in the famous Turing test. In the year 2018, the project debates from IBM debated on complex topic with two master debates and also performed extremely well. Google has demonstrated on AI program Duplex, which was a virtual assistant and which had taken hairdresser appointment on call, and lady on the other side did not notice that she was talking with the machine. Next question, write a note on the AI application in the field of healthcare. First one, managing medical records and other data. Since the first step is compiling and analyzing information like medical records and other past history, data management is the mostly widely used application of AI and digital automation. Robot collect, store, reformat and trade data to provide faster, more consistent access. Do repetitive jobs, analysis, test, x-rays, CT scans, data entry and other tasks can be done faster and more accurately by robots. Treatment design. AI systems have been created to analyze the data notes a report from a patient file, external research and clinical expertise to help select the correct individual customized treatment part. Digital consultation. Apps like Babylon in the UK use the AI to give medical consultation based on personal medical history and common medical knowledge. Virtual nurse. In 2016, Watchman Children Hospital developed an app for Amazon Alexa that is basic health information and advice for parents of a ill children. The app answers asked questions about the medicines and the weather system requires a doctor visit. Medication management. The National Institute of Health have created the AI Cure app to monitor the use of medication by a patient. A smartphone webcam is partnered with AI to autonomously confirm that the patients are taking their prescriptions and helps them manage their condition. Drug creation. Developing paramedical through cleaning trials can make more than they decide and cost billion of dollars. Making this process faster and cheaper could change the world. And the recent Ebola virus, a program powered by AI, was used to scan existing medicines that could be redesigned to fight the disease. Precision medicine. With the help of AI, body scans spot cancers and vascular diseases early and predict the health issues people might face on this genetic. Health monitoring. Wearable health trackers like Fitbit, Apple, noise trackers monitors health rate and the activity levels. They can send alerts to the user to get more exercise and can share this information to doctors and AI systems for the additional information on the needs and habits of the past patients. Health system analysis. A Dutch company uses AI to shift through the data to highlight mistakes in treatment, workflow influence, inefficiency, and help areas healthcare system avoid unnecessary patient hospitalization. Next question, write a note on AI in education. First one, automate basic activities like grading. Even in lower grades, teachers often find that grading takes place of a significant amount of time that could be used to interact with students, prepare for the class, or work on professional development. It is now possible for a teacher to automate grading for nearly to all kinds of multiple choice and fill in the blanks, testing and automated grading of students. Educational software can be adapted to student needs. Growing number of adaptive learning programs, games and software, these systems respond to the needs of the students, putting greater impress on certain topics, repeating things that students have not measured and generally helping students to work at their own place. This kind of customers education could be a machine assisted resolution to helping students at different levels were together in one classroom with teacher facilitating the learning and offering help and support needed. It can be paid out places where courses need to improve. Teachers may not always be aware of gaps in their lectures and education materials that can leave students confused about certain concepts. AI offers a way to solve that problems. Course era, a massive open online courses provider is already putting this into practice. This type of system help to file, find in the gaps in explanation that can occur in courses and helps to ensure that all students are building the same conceptual foundation. Students could get additional support from AI tutors. Some tutoring programs based on AI already exist and can help students through basic mathematics, writing, and other subjects. These programs can teach students fundamental. AI driven programs can give students and educators helpful feedback. Some schools, especially courses with the online system, are using AI to monitor student progress and to allot professors who when there might be issue with student performance. This kind of AI systems allow students to get the support they need and for professors to find areas where they can improve instructions for the students who may struggle with the subject matter. It is altering how we find and interact with information. Google adopts result to user based on location. Amazon makes recommended recommendation based on previous purchase. Siri adopts you to need and comments. This kind of intelligent system play a big role in how we interact with information in our professional lives and could just change how we find and use information in schools and academic. It could change the role of teacher. AI systems could be programmed to provide expertise, serving as a place for the students to ask questions and find information or good even potential takes the place of teacher for every basic course material. AI can make trial and errors learning less intimidating. Data powered by AI can change how schools find, teach, and support students. AI may change where students learn, who teach them, and how they acquire basic skills. Write a note on e-commerce application in AI. E-commerce AI tool or AI-enabled digital assistants such as Google Duplex tool. It's developing capabilities like creating groceries list and even placing online shopping orders for them. Chatbot and other virtual assistants, NLP, natural language processing that can interpret voice-based interactions with customers, addressing customers' needs through deeper insights, self-learning capabilities that can help them improve over time, provide personalized or targeted offers to customers, intelligent product recommendation, benefit or impact on e-commerce industry using AI application, increase in volume of voice research, conversational chatbots, recommendation system, auto-generated product descriptions, image recognition, personalized search, mobile shopping of witnessing arise, introduction of virtual personal shoppers. Next question, what are the advantages and disadvantages of robotics? Advantages of using robotics. They can get information that a human can't get. They can perform tasks without any mistakes and very efficiency and fast. Maximum robotics are automatic so they can perform different tasks without needing human interactions. Robots are used in different factories to produce items like planes, car, plates, etc. Disadvantages of robots. They can store huge amount of data but they are not as efficient as our human brains. They need power supply to keep going. They need high maintenance to keep them working all day long. The most important disadvantages is that if the program of the robot comes in wrong hands, they can cause a huge amount of destruction. Last question, explain the components of robots. First one, Power supply. The working power to the robot is provided by the batteries, hydraulic, solar power, or pneumatic power sources. Actuators. Actuators are the energy conversion device used inside a robot. The major function of actuator is to convert energy into movement. Electric motors, DC or AC. Motors are electromechanical component used for converting electrical energy into its equivalent mechanical energy. In robots, motors are used for providing rotational movement. Sensors. Sensors provide real-time information on the task environment. Robots are equipped with the tactile sensors. It imitate the mechanical properties of the touch receptors of human fingerprints, and vision sense is used for the computing the deep in the environment. Controller. Controller is a part of robot that coordinates all motion of mechanical system. It also receives an input from immediate environmental through various sensors. The heart report robot's controller is a microprocessor linked with the input, output, and monitoring device. The common issued by the controller activities that motion controller mechanism consisting of various controller, actuators, and amplifiers.